Hello, welcome everyone. In this question it says half kilogram object is at rest. Rest means 0. That means initial velocity 0. 3 Newton force to the right acts on an object during the time interval 1.5 seconds. What's the velocity object at the end of this time interval? So at the A, it's asking if we apply 3 Newton force in 1.5 seconds, what is the velocity of it after 1.5 seconds? So we are going to use momentum in path theorem. F times delta t equal delta p. So F times delta t equal m times v final minus m times v initial. And here it says object at rest initially. So initial velocity is 0. So F is 3 times time given 1.5. That's equal mass is 0.5 times v final. So if you divide by both sides 0.5, v final will be 9 meter per second. So it says velocity final becomes 9 meters per second. And at the B, it says what? Let's see. At the end of this time interval, constant force 4 Newton to the left. That's important, left. Applied for 3 seconds. It's applied 3 seconds. So time is 3. What is the velocity at the end of the 3 seconds? So now it's asking final velocity again, but it gets some velocity. Then it's applied force in opposite direction. So we will calculate the velocity. Again, F times delta t equal m times v final minus m times v initial. Now force is given 4 Newton, but it is at the left, so it will be negative 4 times time is given 3 seconds. That's equal m 0.5 times v final is unknown minus 0.5 times v initial is here, as we calculate at the A, will be 9. So if we send this one to the other side and divide it by both sides the 0.5, v final is gonna be negative 15 meter per second. It means v final is 15 meter per second to the left, because the result is negative. Thanks for listening.